Now the questions remain: what triggered the clashes at Assam-Mizoram border? Why the border dispute is the most complicated territorial issue to resolve? Why the border dispute between the two states often gets violent? Why Assam has border disputes with all 6 neighboring states? Assam has border disputes with not just Mizoram but also Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya, because all these states were once part of the undivided Assam. But this is how the controversy snowballed into battlefield-like clashes between the police personnel of Assam and Mizoram in the last 1 month. The tensions erupted on June 30th. Mizoram accused the Assam government of encroachments at Kolasib district, while Assam also accused the Mizoram government of building structures and farming several kilometers inside Hailakandi district. Following the tensions, Assam police took control of an area 5 km from Verangte in Mizoram. Assam officials from Hailakandi rushed to the border area but were stopped and forced to return by Mizo residents. Assam and Mizoram officials attempted to resolve the conflict through discussions, but on July 10th, crops belonging to a Mizoram farmer was damaged in an eviction drive. As tensions escalated, unknown people hurled a grenade at Assam government officials, and on July 25th, 6 farm huts belonging to Mizoram farmers were torched. The chief ministers of Assam and Mizoram took the feud to Twitter, with each tagging Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to resolve the issue. But why were the tensions not quelled? Assam and Mizoram's 165-kilometer boundary dispute dates back to the colonial period. Earlier, Mizoram was called Lushai Hills and was part of Assam. Lushai Hills were home to the Mizos. The expansion of British tea plantations in Assam's Kachar, Hailakandi and Karimganj districts led to conflicts with the Mizos in the Lushai Hills. In 1875, the British drew a demarcation line between the Kachar Plains and Lushai Hills. In 1933, another boundary between Lushai Hills and the then princely state of Manipur was drawn. However, the Mizos do not accept the new line as it was not done in consultation with them. Late, Mizoram became a union territory and then a state. According to officials, peace prevailed at the no man's land in the border area between the states till 2018. Clashes were reported since then, including one as early as last year in October. The centre now faces the challenge of ending the conflict between the two BJP-led states that threaten to escalate.